Hey guys, Jeremiah, Stone Blue Airlines, and it is starting to feel a little bit more like spring in Virginia here, and I've got some planes to fly. I have with me the brand new VAS Hellkite. Just finished the build out this past week, and finally the weather is good enough to get out here and maiden this beast. Video aerial system always has some unique aircraft, and this is one of them for sure. So it's a slight forward swept wing. Off the top of my head, I kind of forget the wing width, so I'll post that here in the video. And I went ahead and did a 4-cell setup. I've got a 1900 jet fuel pack, 4-cell, and I'm running Emax servos. I am running a Cobra ESC, and I had a motor laying around in the shop that came off one of my other race wings that I'm no longer racing on, and I was like, you know, it's perfect. It's an old NTM. I think it's got a little bit of life left in it, and then I'll probably put a Cobra on. I'm also running one of the new VAS Minion antennas. If you missed that crazy like blowout sale of the blemished version, that is what they look like. So literally the same thing. So other than that, beautiful build. I think so, at least. I enjoyed the build out. And I did a few different mods that are a little different than the kit stock. So if you're watching the video here and then you get your kit and you're like, oh my gosh, it's not the same thing, there's probably a reason why, and that reason is sometime I like to go off script, like most of the time when I build. So make a few little changes, a few things here and there. Running run cam in the nose, of course. Pretty much all I fly. And other than that, this is the Hellkite. Let's toss it out here and get a full view of this bad boy. Should be about a 100-mile-an-hour bird, and enough talk. Let's get her in the air. Alright guys, you are on board here with me. A little DVR footage from a couple Hellkite flights. Just wanted to give you just a little bit more background on this particular aircraft and maybe its flight characteristics. It's actually a really solid plane for being as small as it is. The wingspan, it's very quick, as you can see from some of the footage here. I've been able to achieve in my guesstimate based on motor setup and combos, that kind of thing, around 100 miles an hour on the upper end. It's got pretty nice consistent stall characteristics, nothing crazy. It's got pretty nice slow flight characteristics as well, fairly low stall speed. You see here, this is a fairly windy day and I'm able to maintain really level flight, really low. Inverted, it handles extremely well. Here doing some aerobatics and, you know, just kind of pushing it a bit. Almost took out one of the other guy's planes there, didn't know he was taking off. You know, just doing a whole mix of flights. It's just a really cool aircraft, and I think you should check it out. Thanks for watching today's video.